Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Are you guys looking for an easy mango dessert? Then try this easy creamy mango dessert, a quick and easy mango custard that is sure to please the crowd. I made this dessert by using choco pie. So let's see how to make this. In a pan, add 1 liter full fat milk. Goes in 1 cup sugar. Give this a very nice mix and bring it to boil. And next I'm going to add 4 tablespoons vanilla custard in a bowl. Add some cold milk in it. Mix well. There should be no lumps. And now pour this custard mix in a boiling milk. Mix this nicely and slow cook for a minute till it becomes thick custard. And now switch off the flame and keep it aside. And to this custard I am adding half cup fresh cream. Give this a very nice mix and set this aside. And now I am using a transparent oval dish. To this I am adding 6 packets of crushed choco pie. And now I am going to pour this thick custard on top of this choco pie. Then go ahead and add some sweet and ripe chopped mangoes on top. Then cover the entire dish in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours before you serve. So guys, this creamy mango dessert is absolutely delicious and it's very easy to make. Try this and let me know your reviews. Also tag me on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. I love sharing photos when people make my recipes. You can also hashtag shimiskitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.